Hello and welcome to Mpc Grand Lifestyle Money Power Club's Grand Lifestyle. It's your host KR. I'm going to be breaking down this amazing club to you guys so you can see how fast our members are creating wealth over here. So let's get started. Our members are helping us to build a great community which is comprised of good people while earning $1,350 per person. That's right. You get paid $1,350 per person that comes in, guys. Imagine that. Every time somebody join the club, scale their way up through the memberships, you earn $1,350. Who we are. Mpc Grand Lifestyle is a group of like-minded entrepreneurs creating wealth by simply connecting with others who are also seeking financial freedom. If you have ever desired to earn a six-figure income, this is definitely the community for you. This is where you need to be. Now, Mpc Grand Lifestyle make earning a six-figure income super simple. Invite new members into the club and get paid. That's it, guys. Invite in new members and get paid. This is one of the greatest clubs I've ever been a part of because we have nothing to sell and nothing to buy. Matter of fact, the club is giving you so many different things for just becoming a member. It is amazing, guys. So Mpc Grand Lifestyle Wealth in Memberships. We have discovered a way for people to make serious money every day by simply sharing our club's memberships with others. We are helping our members to earn $1,350 per each new membership that they personally sponsor in. Isn't that amazing? Of course. Our members have found that they can truly create a powerful system, a powerful stream of income weekly by simply seeking out others with mobile devices and inviting them to join us. So this is a mobile thing, guys. If you can do this straight from your phone, imagine that. Sending invites out to people to join this club and getting paid. That is what it's all about. The Money Power Club has designed two new structures targeted towards the acquisition of wealth, and they are this. We have the NMRP, which stands for New Member Reward Program, and our UMRP, which is the Upgraded Member Rewards Program also. So that means that you're in two great club amenity systems where you are getting paid hand over fist for simply bringing people in and getting paid when they upgrade. You receive 100% of their membership. Isn't that amazing? 100% of each member's membership. Both were designed with one thing in mind: total financial freedom. What makes our club exclusive is that our members can earn a powerful, life-changing income without having anything to buy or anything to sell. That's it, guys. We don't know if you're a great salesperson, so we're not going to send you out there trying to sell things. We're not selling lotions, potions, bells, and whistles. We're just simply bringing in great people that want to make money. This simply means that all commissions are based upon a member's ability to simply share our mission to educate along with our club's amenity. We call it wealth by association, of course. By simply sharing with others how the Money Power Club can create wealth for them, can quickly put one on the path to financial freedom. This is what we want everybody to do, and we've definitely got our members doing this every day. Stop killing yourself on 9-to-5 jobs and join the team at MPC. Stop killing yourself on these jobs and jump into this team that we have over here at MPC and change your life forever. That is super important, guys. Mpc Grand Lifestyle, the lifestyle itself. We are a private community with our very own membership earning system. What makes us unique and stand out above the rest is that our wealth is created by simply introducing others to our amazing community. There's no large investments needed, and there's definitely no risk of losing your hard-earned money like you do with some of the stuff that people be jumping into. There are two important factors in place which helps our members to grow our memberships as well as their incomes. The first thing is there's nothing to buy and nothing to sell. That right there is great itself, right? Of course. Number two, our members are paid instantly and directly to their personally selected accounts as soon as the new members join using their unique link. So that means that you're paid instantly. You're not waiting on pay to come from the company. The company never touches your money. Everything goes directly to you. We have 3 membership levels, 3-tier membership packages, guys. This is how you earn your money. But check this out. This is going to blow your mind. Mpc Grand Lifestyle 3-tier membership packages continues to help our members create wealth via networking. That's all we're doing, networking, meeting great people just like ourselves and bringing them into this club, and we're getting paid for it. Take a look below at how our packages are designed for pure wealth generation. Now watch this. Come in at your silver level at $100 with a one-time $10 administrative fee. There's no residual payments here, so once you pay and take possession of a package, that's your package for life, right? So that means you're going to earn from that package forever, and there's no residual payment that has to be paid on it. Now, when you come in at that $100 level, we got some gifts for you guys. Check it out. You're going to get 4 complimentary advertising and marketing trainings. Imagine that, right? You're going to get some trainings here, and they're yours. They're digital downloads, PDFs. So that means that you're going to be receiving gifts when you join the club. Now, I didn't tell you about the greatest gifts. We're going to save that to when you jump on the call with us. Now, on our gold membership package, which is $250, you're upgrading to that package from pure profit. Pure profit. Nothing else comes out of your pocket. Matter of fact, once you join for the $100 and you bring in your first person, you have your $100 right back. So that means that you're absolutely free. That means that you're playing with the casino's money, as we like to say. But in your gold membership package, you're going to upgrade strictly from profit. You're going to go into that package at $250 from your profits, right? Banking some money even after you go into that package. But we're going to give you 8 complimentary advertising and marketing trainings in that one. So you got 4 here. You got 8 more you just received for going until you go. Absolutely free. That is our gift to you for joining. Now, when you go into the big boy, which is the premium platinum package, at $1,000 once again from pure profit. It does not come out of your pocket. You go into this package at $1,000 for profit. It's from your profit package, guys, so you don't have to worry about it. We're going to give you 42, guys, 42 advertising and marketing trainings when you upgrade into that premium platinum. That is amazing. Everything that we're doing for you guys is to help you to become a better marketer, a better person that's building your business, right? That's what we want to do. Each of our club marketing and advertising trainings are available to members via their members area and in the form of ebook PDF downloads. This makes our training modules mobile and easy to access from anywhere in the world. Now, this is your assignment. The only thing you're going to be doing in this club, remember we said no selling, no buying, we're not doing none of that. What you're going to be doing in this club is this. Your assignment is to find great people that would love to make large amounts of money. That's it. You cannot complicate this. You cannot change what our mission is. You cannot add nothing to this or take anything away. We simply want you to go out there and find great people just like yourself that just want to make some money. That's it. Bring them in when they join the club. Pow! Payday. Instantly, daily, right? So you should be finding people every day that want to make money. How hard is that? They're right there in your phone, matter of fact. Who do we want as members of the Grand Lifestyle? Well, Mpc Grand Lifestyle is for people who like to hang out and have a good time with friends and family members. Amazing, right? Mpc Grand Lifestyle is for people who like to travel and take lengthy vacations, right? We're looking for those people that like to have fun and travel and party. Mpc Grand Lifestyle is for people who are ready to buy their dream home. How many of you guys ready to get that dream home? This is how you're going to do it right here at Mpc Grand Lifestyle. Mpc Grand Lifestyle is for people who are ready to purchase that dream car. Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, whatever it is. You're going to be able to get that car if you're working with us over here helping us to build this great club. Mpc Grand Lifestyle is for people who are ready to get this one, guys. Walk away from that dead-end 9-to-5 job. A lot of people are ready to do that. So let's dive right into the compensation plan so you can see this 2-phase plan and see how you're going to change your life by simply bringing in great people just like yourself. So let's just move from the left to the right. We have our silver package, gold, and platinum. Those are our packages. Moving left to right, we have the packages and their amounts: $100, $250, and as I said previously, the $1,000 premium platinum. We have our members section. It says 5 members. We're doing 5 for illustration purposes only, just so you can get some totals here, guys. You can bring in 5, 50, 5,000, 5 million. We don't care, but I use 5 just for illustration purposes so I can hit you with some totals, and you're going to be amazed at just what 5 people can do for you. And these are your donations. This is the money that you're collecting based upon the multiplication of the 5 people times the $100. That's this. This is your upgrade. These are your upgrade levels. You're going to see these here to show you what you're going to be taking away from your profits to upgrade with. And this here is what you get to keep, which is the banking section. So Let's move from the left to the right and get you educated on how you getting ready to make this money. Let's assume that you came in already. You paid your $110. $100 is going to your membership, and that is to your sponsor. And the other $10, one time $10, may I add, is going to be for your website. You're going to have your own personalized website, membership tracking, login, password. Everything is there for you. Okay. So let's assume that you've already paid your $110 and you share this with just 5 people. Go find 5 people that want to make $5,500 really quick. $5,500, guys. I'm going to show this to you. $5,500 really quick. 5 people. So let's assume you got the 5 times the $100. You collect $500 altogether. From that, you're going to take $250, pinch off $250, and you're going to take possession of your gold package. Remember what I told you? Strictly from profit. When you take possession of that gold package, you're going to bank $250 up that $500. You've already got your money back, you've already upgraded, and you got some money in the bank. Amazing, right? So when your team members duplicate what it is you're doing, the great people you brought in, when they duplicate your effort, because duplication is the key to success here, when they duplicate you going into the 250 times the same 5, you notice I said the same 5 people, you haven't even went and got anybody else, same 5 people, that's going to give you $1,250. From the $1,250, do not run off and spend it yet. You're going to upgrade it to your premium package. Take possession of that last package so you have no more packages to get at $1,000, banking once again $250. So from that $1,250, you upgrade for $1,000 and bank $250. That is amazing. When your team, when the great people you brought in do the same thing that you did, upgrading for $1,000, time to 5 people, that's $5,000. But look at what has just happened. On the upgrade section, it says nothing else to upgrade into. Why? Because you already own all 3 of the packages. So the $5,000 moves into what we call your green. That means the green area is the bank, the go area, the spend money area. So let's just take a look at what we just did in phase number 1. Your silver package, you earn $250. Your gold, you earn $250. But that premium platinum, you earned a banging $5,000 for a total of $5,500. Now let's look at phase 2 after you've already owned all of the package. You own the packages, nothing else to buy. So let's take a look at this. Let's say, for instance, you go get another 5 people at $100 each. That's another $500. But look, nothing comes out of your account because you already own the silver. $500 moves into the green. Let's say when those people upgrade, just like you did, duplicating your efforts, time to 5 people, that's $1,250. Nothing comes out because you already own the gold. Amazing, right? $1,250 into your account. Let's say, for instance, they do the same thing, following what you did, upgrading to the 1,000, right? Time to 5, nothing coming out again, right? That's that 5,000 staying there because you already own the platinum. It goes 5,000 in your green. Let's take a look at what we just did on this one. And this is going to be a continuation every time you get 5 people, guys, because you already own the packages. On the silver, you made $500. On the gold, you made $1,250. And on the platinum, you once again, made $5,000 for a total of $6,850. So that means you're going to be clocking $6,850 per 5 people that you bring in. Guys, there's nothing that's doing that but us. We're the only ones out here banging it out, letting you guys get these club memberships and change your life. So the only thing you want to do right now, get your membership at 100, bring in 5 great people just like you, get paid $500 instantly, then upgrade into the gold membership for $250. Banking $250. Then assist your 5 new members and get their 5 members and get paid another $1,250. Upgrade into the premium platinum for $1,000 and bank another $250. Then close it out by what? When your 5 members assist their 5 members in getting 5, you earn $5,000. Send that into your bank account. That's $5,500. That's to take possession of all of your membership packages. So as you can see, we've created something that can change your life, guys. So right now, I want to welcome you in advance because I know you're coming in. I know you're coming in, guys. I want to welcome you in advance to Mpc Grand Lifestyle. This is your boy KR, your host, and thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the club. Take care.